Welcome to this new video, and today we're going to review this huge big box of Play-Doh. So let's dive right in. So if we look at the packaging, we can see exactly what we're getting. We're getting a set to make our own ice creams, and we can make other things such as delicious smoothies, coffees. We can make our own macarons, donuts, all kind of cookies and put them on display so you can bring them to your customers, friends or your family. And it comes with 8 different pots of Play-Doh, including some chocolate brown colors for cookies or chocolate things, and also these combined colors, which are super fun. If you look at the back, we can see a girl playing with it and see what she created. Yeah, I can't wait to open it up. Let's see. This box is packed with things. So I'm just going to get something out. First of all, it is both plate and a design for your own toppings. So that's super fun. It's dual use. Then we have this thong to pick up our pastries. We have a cute little cups which can fit on these saucers. We have this fun sort of cupcake maker, which is of 2 parts. There is really a lot of stuff in here. So we have these sort of molds to make our own waffles, other sort of cookies, croissants. Here we have something that is wrapped. Let me see what it is. These are little cute little cups with some tops to put in our coffees or smoothies or milkshakes. They're super fun. Then we have this roller which we can use to roll the clay. And let me just take out this part. Ooh, here we have some of the Play-Doh itself. 1, 2. Four pots. So these are the dual colored ones. And here we have some white, which is super useful to make, of course, whipped cream. We have a small little spoon and a donut maker. Here we have something to make whipped cream. So much stuff, so much stuff. Let me see. We also have this little part, which I'm not sure where it goes to yet. And we have this one, which is to make the toppings for our muffins. And I think we have some big items here. I'm just going to take these out and put away the box. So much stuff in here. So that was it. That's it. The box is empty. Let me show you. So let us just organize a little bit of this stuff because it's a lot. So we have here the pots of clay that we've seen. We have some little makers. Let's just unwrap this. This is part for the Play-Doh machine to make our ice creams. This as well, I'm just going to put it aside and we'll be building it in a bit. As well, part of the machine. These as well, I'm just going to put them over there. These are some instructions, I think. Yes, so we're going to need this in a bit as well. And here we have, I think, some more Play-Doh. Yes. Different colors. We have the brown color, some extra white, always handy, and a bubbly pink. I think, yes. So this is the display. And we have, I think, that's what it's for. So these are molds as well, but they also function as the trays for this one. Super useful and handy. So let me put that here. Let me see, these we already watched, and we have got these two things, which is the carrier for our creations. Maybe the other way around. Yes, better like this. Try again. Yeah, that's the Alright, so let's check the instructions, which is with some images, which I always like. And we have to take the first part and attach part B to that. Let me just see which part it is. I think it's this one with the two sort of brackets right here. And we have to attach this part onto it. So I think, yeah, we'll go like this. Yes, just click it in place. Then we actually need to do step 2, which is attach it to the base, which is, whoop, I'm sorry, is this part. Oh, that's cool. Look, you can shoot your ice cream to the other part. Ooh. Let me Alright, so it's time for step 4, I think, and that's actually the part where you build the little things that we already built, so that's cool. And then it has instructions of how to use your Play-Doh, the ice cream maker, but I think we're just going to try and find out ourselves. So let's put this away. So we attached everything, I thought, but I forgot to use this thing, which is actually, oh cool, it's another part where you can make some sort of toppings with fruits, some cherries, and also some cute hearts, and a little base for your cupcakes. And we need to attach this one on here. Let me see where it goes. I shouldn't have got rid of the manual. I think it goes like this. Yes, click it on there. And we should have another one. Yes. This one also has cute molds, even a little bear. I love that there are all these little things to discover that you can use. Just going to, yeah, it was a little bit tight. Yeah. Now it's done. Right, let's go and make ourselves some delicious Play-Doh ice cream. So what should be the first thing we make? I think it's going to be fun to make a little drink for in this container. So let's start with the colors that we like. I really love this one with the blue and the pink. So let's open this one up. And I always love the smell of the Play-Doh. Sorry you can't smell it. You get everything out. Really stuck well in here. You can even use these if you don't have enough cups to put in your your ice cream. Now let me not mix it too much. I'm just going to put it in this first one here. Let me slide this part right here, put the cup underneath, and we're ready to make some delicious ice cream. Let me see how we can do this. Okay. Let me put the clay in a little bit better. Maybe not everything needs to go in. Let me try again. Ooh, my cup moved. Yay, it's working. Ooh. I'm just going to put in a little bit more clay. Ooh. Yeah, looks super fun. So I'm just going to press this button to scoop it to the other side. Woo! Okay, let's do that again. It's spinning. So let me just show you how it looks. It looks like this, so it's hollow. You can put something in there if you like, but I think I'm just going to fill it up with whipped cream. I'm going to make white whipped cream. We can experiment later with some other colors, of course. I'm just going to get something out. And we're going to put it right here. Well, I think we can use everything. Yep. All right. Hoping that it's working. I'm just going to take it off. It's quite a lot. Maybe we should do it again, because this one, it was a bit too much. Let me just put a little bit of clay in here, like half of it, and do this again. Maybe not the most prettiest one, but never mind. And before I'm putting the top up, I'm going to make some toppings. And let me see what we can do. We can use some on here, so it may be cool to make some cherries. I'm going to use a little bit of pink for that. We don't have any green for the stem. Maybe we can use a little bit of brown. Put in here. There we have our little cherries. Let me just remove some of the excess Play-Doh. Let me put this one on top. And it's looking super cute. And let's put the top on there. And there we have our first creation. I'm just going to put it in this little display. And I think it's time to make a little snack to go with it. So let's make a little snack to go with that. And I think it's fun to use these, one of these. So I'm going to go for the donuts. So let's make a donut with some light brown clay. I'm just going to put it in here. A little bit more. Close this one up. Remove a bit of the excess clay that's coming out. And let's see if our donut is ready. This one looks super fun. I'm just going to put it on a little saucer, and then we have to make a little bit of toppings, and I think I'm going to use this one. Maybe it's fun to do a little bit of these small toppings to put on there. Let me just get a few different colors. So we can make a yellow little banana and an orange bear, sort of a gummy bear, I think. Ooh. And maybe a pink little star. Here are donuts and the toppings. Here we have a little banana, a little star, and our little gummy bear. You can always remove a little bit of the excess clay if you want it to be more neat. Good, I'm just going to put it in here together with our drink. So I think it's time to make another set. Ooh, for the other side. Just clean it up a little bit. And maybe we can make a delicious coffee this time. So I'm just going to take the cup and place it on here again. Yeah, just press really hard. Put it over there, and we're going to make some coffee or hot chocolate, and I'm going to for the brown color. So I think this one is good. Let me think. I'm taking out about half of the clay from the pot. And putting it in here. And let's make some soy latte. Okay, this can use a little bit more. Let me just scoot it over. It can use a bit more. Let me put it back and take the rest of the clay. Sometimes it does get stuck a bit. Whoa. You have to use some force. Put this back in there. This one has like a little bit of a poop color. Not the best color, I think. Okay, let's make some more soy latte. Yep. All right. There we have our coffee, and this time I want to make some whipped cream with the whipped cream. Yeah, I don't know how you call it. So I'm just going to put some white clay in there, mixed with a little bit of yellow to give it a little bit of a creamy look. Just going to take a little bit more yellow, white. I understand now why they put 2 pots of white in here. Just mix this up. and put it in this tube. And let's make some whipped cream. I'm going to put this on here. Let's go. I think this one is more for like on your cupcakes to decorate them. All right, so that's our second drink, and I think this one can use some sort of a waffle to go with it. So I'm just going to take the light brown clay and make like a waffle to go with it. I'm going to use this one. This time I'm going to remove the excess clay already a little bit so I have the correct amount. Ooh. Let me just put this onto our coffee. This one looks so fancy. Let's make another drink. I did really like the colorful ones, so I am going to put in these colors. Mix it up a bit, put it in here. I'm not going to put too much, we'll just refill it a bit later. This part is a bit hard. It looks a bit like a sort of fruit juice, like an orange juice or a smoothie. Let's scoot it over. And why not add some whipped cream for this one as well? Just going to mix some colors. Now let's put it in here. I think we can use a little bit of more. I'm just going to use the rest of this one and a little bit more white. So maybe we can make something up. This one we already used with the cupcake maker. So we can use two colors, maybe a brown for the base. We have a little bit of brown left. I'm just going to put some other color clay in the other part. Yeah, maybe some purple. And let me close this one. I love how the clay comes out. Let me see if it worked. Ooh. It looks really good. Oh wow. This one worked really well. Yeah, I'm just going to put something on top of there. And what shall we make? We also can make some whipped cream with this one. Let's do that and put some white in here. A bit too much. Ooh, that's nice. Put it on top of here. And maybe make some donut again. Let's use this part clay for this part. And let's use some pink clay for the other side. I think this one is the best creation until now. Okay, I'm going to put it on here. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked this video, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye!